Hello and hope you are having a great day. Ginger is one of the most popular roots that has been used for its health benefits. In fact, ginger is so commonly accepted as a medicinal root that almost all cultures around the world accept ginger for its medicinal properties. You might have even taken ginger for a number of reasons in the past. But let's dive in a little deeper today and find out what exactly makes ginger the power herb. So, ginger contains a bioactive compound called gingerol. Now, one of the benefits of gingerol is that gingerol is proven to increase immunity and have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidants are a good thing. Anti-inflammatory means it helps your body not swell up. Different organs can swell up as a symptom of a particular disease. Inflammation is normally linked to a variety of diseases such as heart diseases, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, allergies, psoriasis, and many more. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system and make it more difficult for the body to fight off infections and diseases. Swelling is also a common symptom for people suffering autoimmune conditions. Consuming ginger can help reduce the swelling. Since swelling causes extra stress on the body and over a period of time can cause you to be lethargic and tired. Ginger helps to control the body so that it does not swell and so that the immunity works on its optimum level. Regarding antioxidants. Antioxidants are a good thing. Antioxidants help the body to slow down the aging process and fight off free radicals. Antioxidants help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken the immune system. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and cause inflammation in the body. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. Another benefit of ginger is that ginger also has antibacterial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that can weaken the immune system. The antibacterial properties of ginger have been shown to be effective against several strains of bacteria, including those that cause food poisoning, urinary tract infections, and respiratory infections. Gingerol has been shown to be effective against a number of viruses, including the flu virus and the respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. The most common use of ginger in India and China for thousands of years is to fight off the flu virus. Another benefit of ginger is that it helps to reduce nausea and vomiting. This is especially helpful for people who are undergoing chemotherapy and other treatments that weaken the immune system. Nausea and vomiting leads to dehydration and malnutrition. Both of these symptoms weaken the immunity even more. So it is important to treat the symptoms as early as possible. In Indonesia, ginger is the preferred supplement to prevent and cure motion sickness caused by road travel, flight travel, and even sea travel. It is very effective and makes millions of Indonesians use ginger as a form of supplement on a daily basis to counteract motion sickness and the cold. Nausea and vomiting can lead to dehydration and malnutrition, which can weaken the immune system and make it more difficult for the body to fight off infections. In conclusion, ginger can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle for supporting immune health. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, digestive, and stress-relieving properties can all work together to support a healthy immune response. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, we suggest that you try to incorporate ginger in your diet. You can include ginger in your tea or in your juices. You can also search online for ginger recipes. But if you need something more practical and more effective, you can try using ginger supplements. We have searched and found the best ginger supplement available and included the direct online purchase link in the description. Use the link to get the special discounts while it lasts. We will be providing more health secrets tomorrow. We do hope that this secret has helped you learn more about your health. Please share this secret to friends and families, because ginger might be the miracle they need in their lives. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.